Hello everyone, welcome back to our exciting episode of Job Sahiye podcast where we dive deep into career, entrepreneurship and personal growth. I am your host Ashlesha Koskiwar and today we have a very special guest who is pioneering the wellness and food space. She is Nida Patel, the founder of Morning Wale, a company that's changing the way to think about food and wellness and nutrition. So she's on a mission to deliver purest organic foods and ensuring families are getting the nourishment they deserve. So welcome Nida to our podcast.
Hi everyone.
Yeah. So let's start from your journey. Let's start from the roots. What inspired you to live legal world to entrepreneurship?
So it started with motherhood because I realized when I became a mother, there were very less options of natural and organic food. And even if they were really expensive. So
Okay.
that's how I started this journey. And especially when, you see health crisis going on in the family some way or the other, someone or the other in the family is suffering from some, disease. And then the COVID happened. And I realized it's how important it is to go back to the roots and develop your immunity with the foods which we used to have in our childhood.
Yeah.
So then it started, and I started as a grocery, store, and from my home only, and then
Mhm.
eventually we developed an app and website and everything. Now we are serving families pan India with our groceries, stone grinded flours. We don't have sugar, so we have substitutes of sugar,
Okay.
and we have sattu premixes. That is again, one with tradition mixing with modernization. That how we have made sattu premixes with Indian palate, and trying to
Okay.
introduce it to the world to make them realize that इससे better तो protein powder हो ही नहीं सकता है.
Nice. Okay.
So
Wow,
that's my
that's great.
journey.
Okay, wow, that's great. Suppose there is a lot of eating habits of persons, right? So, what are three eating habits most people get wrong but don't realize?
So, firstly, they are there are underrated products in India which we are not using. For example,
Mm-hmm.
we think protein powder is good, but we also have to assess, are they organic, or they are free from any chemicals or anything for that matter. And then we introduce our sattu remixes, that one needs to have that. One needs to see what is culturally fit for us and what is our ancestors have given. We misunderstand a lot of thing about food. कुछ लोग तो मुझे आके ऐसे बोलते हैं, यार हम इतने सालों से खा रहे हैं तो आगे भी खा
Uh-huh.
लेंगे. Right. तो ऐसा
Okay.
नहीं होता. There is some time, for me COVID was the changing time when I realized के motherhood तो था ही, कि पर COVID ने मुझे एक jerk दिया that now it's the time that we should be having healthy food. For example,
Okay.
sugar. Sugar
Mm-hmm.
is something that people should not have in their lives at all.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
these are few things, people need to check their roots. Eating healthy does not mean that you have to move towards West. Eating healthy
Yeah.
also means that you have to go back to the roots and understand what was there before and what is now, what is not happening. Because
Okay.
हम बचपन में इतने healthy थे, अब नहीं है.
Yeah, right. Like sugar is a part of our life. We eat sugar daily basis on a daily basis. So it's like a part. So we can't remove properly, like actually perfectly in from our life. But we can't we can do a less eat less sugar daily basis.
No, you can actually. Sugar, how we are replacing sugar is with
Hmm.
khand. Khand is where
Okay.
sugar originated. Khand
Okay.
is the first product from where sugar was then crystallized, chemically bleached, and then it was served to us by China, stating it as chini. But khand is something that is given to us by our ancestors, and that can easily be
Okay.
replaced by sugar. Then there are
Hmm.
honey, date powder. Sugar is something that one should not have. Sugar is a feed to cancer.
Oh
Sugar is
yeah.
a feed to a lot of diseases. So sugar and any white for that matter, maida, or you talk about the regular flours that you're having. So you need to reduce whites from your life.
Yeah, right, true. Like how can someone build a better like plate without counting calories or using fancy apps?
It's simple. Eat what is available at home. Like I love eating dal rice. I love
Mm-hmm.
eating pickle, which is made at home. So I take my full calories and I don't judge that my food is, this calorie, that calorie. It's just that you
Uh-huh.
need to have some protein, some iron in your food.
Okay.
Maybe a bowl of rice, one chapati. So it has to be a balanced diet. But eat what is available at home. Junk food is something that we need to cut off from our lives, to live a better life. And also, a wholesome meal. Indian meals are wholesome. Western
Mm-hmm.
meals are not wholesome. We
Yeah.
have some salad, we have some achar, we have rice, we have roti, we have dal, we have sabzi. So we need not to calculate calories. It's just that we need to do a little walking and cycling and maybe, a weight training if someone wants. With the regular meal, what we are having at home, we can have chas when we need protein. We can have sattu premix when we have
Yes.
to have protein. We can have milk. We can have, so many things to, fulfill our protein requirements.
Yeah, that's
Indian meal is full in itself. You don't have to. It's just that you don't have to have fried food. Refrain from a
okay.
lot of fried food, and
Mm-hmm.
introduce ghee to your meals.
Okay. Yeah, that's true. Like like as you said about junk food, right? So what's your take on like snacking? Like what are some good versus bad snacks?
See, snacking, I will not say it's bad, but what kind of snacking are you doing? Like, I take makhana, I take, I take that mamra हमारे में गुजराती में बनाते हैं that puffed rice होता है उसको हम लोग
Okay.
बना लेते हैं. So I take that, I take my dry fruits. So I do a lot of munching, but then all those snacks are prepared at home, and now there are brands who are doing such snacking, which are healthy. So you can have chana, and now we are introducing good chana. Good chana
Okay.
is a snack which can help fertility in women, which can regularize their menstrual cycles, and it is again a very underrated product.
Okay. So like what products does Morning Wala offer in this particular space if someone want to do or someone to eat on the daily basis?
So we are a Kirana next door. That's the
Okay.
tagline that we are looking at, and we have all kind of flours, dals, spices which are natural, organic, which are very reasonably priced. Then we have sea buckthorn, we have Sheila Jeet to boost your immunity and metabolism. Then we have Kesar. All the products from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, every specialized product from a state that we have on our platforms, from spices to dal, and they're from a particular place.
Okay. Like someone want to suppose there is another brands also. So why would someone choose Morning Wala like rather than another brand?
There is very few brands that are in competition with us. In terms of few products, they are in competition, but the entire household kitchen range, there is no brand that is doing entire household kitchen range on one app. So that's
Okay.
Morning Wale that is doing the entire household kitchen range from spices to dal to millets to flours, everything at one platform, healthy, organic, natural, certified. You'll feel the change. And we are selling what we used to have, like, when in our childhood, what our grandparents used to eat. So we are bringing
Mhm.
the traditions back.
Okay. Oh, that's true. Is it is it in which range the products are? In which range?
So our most expensive product is ghee that is for 1600. In market you will
Okay.
get it for like 4000 rupees, that A2 Girkau
Hmm.
Binana, but we are selling
Yeah.
it 1600. Again, when I say that we are very minimally priced with, and quality is also amazing. We make sure that the quality is not compromised, but the pricing we keep it low and with on low margins, because we want even the middle class should have access to these products. When we talk about Sheila Jeet, it's priced at 150. So our
Yeah.
product range is maximum 1600 and minimum is 100 rupees.
Yeah, that's like quite affordable to all persons, right? All peoples. So like what kind of food helps like boost concentration, focus and mood, especially for students and people with long work days?
See, you need to have a protein rich diet to have a balanced mood, a balanced body. A protein and an iron rich diet will help you grow and your immunity grow. It's just that
Hmm.
people in India lack protein, and India is a protein
Yeah.
deficient nation. 54% of the kids in India are not growing because they lack protein. They are,
Yeah.
उनका हाइट छोटा है या उनका कंसंट्रेशन वीक है या वो चिड़चिड़े रहते हैं या उनको एडीएचडी है बिकॉज वो ज़्यादा शुगर खाते हैं. सब चीज़ का इलाज प्रोटीन है. सो प्रोटीन हमें कहाँ से आएगा? हमारी रेगुलर छाछ, हमारे सत्तू, घर में बनाए पनीर से. मैं तो कहती हूँ बाहर का पनीर भी मत खाओ, घर में पनीर बनाओ. डोंट ईट, क्योंकि बाहर का जो पनीर बनता है, आई एम फ्रॉम द डेयरी इंडस्ट्री एंड आई नो हाउ केमिकली
Hmm.
ब्लीच्ड इट इज एंड हाउ केमिकली इट इज बाइंडेड. So, protein is primarily very important for kids and of people of our age and older ones, that they should be
Hmm.
having protein to have good immunity and body.
Yeah, that's true. Like our grandparents like followed food rules like no water right after meals or eat seasonal. Are this still valid today?
Yes, it is. Like I give my son fruits which are seasonal and
Hmm.
fruits which are Indian, not coming from abroad, especially for a single reason. कि पहली बात, आई वांट टू सपोर्ट आवर फार्मर्स. दूसरी बात,
Hmm.
जो लोकली प्रोड्यूस्ड फ्रूट्स होते हैं उनके न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू ज़्यादा होता है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट,
Hmm.
सीजनल फ्रूट्स का मतलब ही ये है कि समर में कोई फ्रूट आ रहा है तो उसका रीज़न है. अगर विंटर में
Hmm.
संतरे आते हैं तो उसका रीज़न है कि विटामिन सी इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर इम्यूनिटी, और वो
Yeah.
विंटर में आता है, राइट? और मस्क मेलन, वाटरमेलन समर में इसलिए आता है क्योंकि आप डिहाइड्रेटेड होते हो. आपको हाइड्रेट करने के लिए आप उतना पानी नहीं पी सकते. 3.5 लीटर से
Right.
ऊपर पियोगे तो आपके लिवर और किडनी में भी प्रॉब्लम आएगा. सो
I agree.
therefore hydrated foods come in summer. So there is a particular reason that why a certain fruit come in a certain season, and we need to respect the nature and have that
Yeah.
fruit and vegetables. And I think seasonal तो होना चाहिए, इंडियन भी होना चाहिए. We should not
Okay.
have fruits के बाहर का है इसलिए अच्छा होगा. Absolutely not. This should not be the case.
Yeah, that's true. Like in ancient, like what are some ancient or like Ayurvedic food practices would you love to see revived in modern kitchens?
सबसे सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो फूड हैबिट्स है कि घी में खाना बनाना. ठीक है.
Mm-hmm.
और दूसरा, टेबल पे बैठ के ने की जगह नीचे बैठ के खाना खाना.
Khana.
उसका रीजन
Right.
है कि आप जब नीचे बैठ के खाते हो आपके लेग्स फोल्ड होते हैं. तो उससे आपका, जब आप 80% खा लेते हो तो आपको ना भारी फील होता है कि नहीं, अभी हम बैठ के खा रहे हैं, हमें पता ही नहीं हम खाए जा रहे हैं, खाए जा रहे हैं, खाए जा रहे हैं. जब हम नीचे बैठ के खाते हैं तो वो एंशियंट प्रैक्टिस है कि यू इवेंचुअली फील स्टफ्ड with 80% your stomach filling and 20% left behind. You stay healthy because of that. Digestion अच्छा होता है उसकी वजह से. So one is that घी में खाना बनाना is primarily that we should be introducing, because वो हमें शुगर स्पाइक नहीं देता. घी हमारा
Mm-hmm.
डायबिटीज ठीक करता है, शुगर स्पाइक कम
Mm-hmm.
देता है. आजकल डॉक्टर्स बोलते हैं कि डायबिटीज है तो घी खाना छोड़ दो.
Um,
दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू शुड नॉट बी डूइंग. ghee is
okay.
ghee is important part of your meal and helps you fight it is gold. Ghee in itself is a
Mm-hmm.
gold. So we need to treat ghee precisely. And then there are spices. You talk about from turmeric to any other spice, garam masale हमारे जितने भी हैं, वो सारी हमारी एंशियंट प्रैक्टिसेस हैं. मॉर्निंग वाले पे हम वो इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं कि आप यही स्पाइसेस जो केमिकली ट्रीटेड नहीं है, नेचुरल हैव दैट. और फिर वो सारी स्पाइसेस जीआई टैग्ड है, वो स्पेसिफिक स्टेट से आ रही है. जैसे हमारा जीरा वेस्टर्न घाट से आ रहा है, हल्दी हमारी लैकेडोंग से आ रही है विच इज़ अ विलेज इन मेघालय. देन हमारा गिरका बिलौना घी हमारा गुजरात में होता है. हमारे जितने भी वुडन प्रेस्ड ऑयल्स हैं वो वुड कोलू से प्रेस किए गए हैं. सो वी आर यूजिंग
Mm-hmm.
दीज टेक्निक्स टू इंट्रोड्यूस फूड एंड एंशियंट टेक्निक्स इन योर लाइफ.
ओके, सो सपोज और एक मतलब चीज है कि सपोज कोई ऑयल यूज कर रहा है, राइट, दे आर नॉट यूजिंग घी एज मच इन देयर किचन, और यूज कर रहे ऑयल यूज कर रहे हैं, तो एक चीज ऐसे भी बोलते हैं कि ज्यादा दिन तक एक ही ऑयल मत यूज करो, हमेशा साइकिल, मतलब कभी ये ऑयल करो, कभी दूसरा ऑयल करो, मतलब कभी क्या बोलते हैं पीनट्स का कर लो, कभी सनफ्लावर का कर लो, सो हाउ, व्हाट इज
See
दिस
the
लाइक?
thing, refined oil was introduced, क्योंकि वेस्टर्न कल्चर में बाहर ना माइनस में
हम्म
टेम्परेचर होता है। अब वो लोग घी
हम्म
वगैरह कुछ भी ऑयल यूज करते थे वो जम जाता था।
या
रिफाइंड ऑयल को उन्होंने बनाया ताकि वो जमे ना। और
हम्म,
वो वेस्टर्न कल्चर ने हमें दे दिया। जबकि हमारे पास तो ग्राउंडनट ऑयल था, हमारे पास सेसमी
हाँ,
था, येलो मस्टर्ड था,
हम्म
ब्लैक मस्टर्ड था, और हम उनको मल्टीपल वे में यूज कर सकते हैं। हर
हम्म
तेल पर्टिकुलर डिश के हिसाब से जाता है। तो आपको तेल चेंज करने का मतलब जो आप कह रहे हो उसमें सिर्फ यही है कि ग्राउंडनट ऑयल कैन बी इजी रिप्लेसमेंट टू योर रिफाइंड ऑयल, यू कैन डू फ्राइंग देयर।
हम्म
सेसमे ऑयल है, कैन बी और सैलड ड्रेसिंग। सो आपको ऑलिव ऑयल या कुछ और यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है। देन एज इट इज आपका येलो मस्टर्ड ऑयल एंड ब्लैक मस्टर्ड ऑयल कुकिंग रेगुलर कुकिंग में यूज हो सकता है। एंड फॉर रेस्ट एवरीथिंग वी हैव घी। So this is how we need to balance. So we in India we have all the oils supporting all kind of cuisines, but we
या
are still using refined oil. I'm just wondering, refined oil is something which is lethal, which gives you cholesterol, and which is not for the Indian culture. Western culture made it because they had extreme winters there, and they didn't wanted an oil to freeze.
right. Yeah, that's true. In like Indian household, they use only one oil for the entire things. They don't use yeah, like another oil or something for this. They are using only one oil for the all things, and they're not
Yes.
changing that oil in like after a month or something. They're
Yes.
regularly using that particular oil only.
Yes.
Yeah. How much harmful it is, like suppose some like a family, they are using only a one type of oil in like half of their age, or half of their for their all, for the kids, for the family, for the grandparents, all one are using only one oil, so how much harmful it is?
It is not, so it is very harmful, like if you are using refined oil for everyone. But if you're
Mm-hmm.
using groundnut oil, sesame, yellow mustard, black mustard, that's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Even like if you use it for everyone, because sesame has calcium in it. Black mustard has again another
Mm-hmm.
nutritive value. So every oil has their own value. You talk about coconut oil. Cooking
Mm-hmm.
in southern India, a lot of cooking is done in coconut oil. See about you talk about Gujarat. There's a lot of cooking done in mustard and sesame. And when you talk about in northern India, there's a lot of cooking done in ghee. So we in if that's what the point is, that if you're using Indian oils and which are not chemically treated, जो कोलू से properly wooden pressed तेल है, उनको आप अपनी meals में use करो, भले ही आप एक ही तेल groundnut ही use कर लो, use it for every,
Mm-hmm.
that's not a problem, but refined oil is a issue.
Okay. Yeah, that's true. Like, of course, in right now there is a diets, like extreme diets like keto, like intermittent fasting and juice cleanses. So what are your views on that?
I don't support any of the diet. I support clean Indian food, homemade food, गरम गरम खाना खाओ अपने घर में, ठीक है, which is not fried. Have one dal,
Mhm.
सब्जी. In Gujarati culture, summers में छाछ को बहुत महत्व दिया जाता है. तो मैं
Yeah.
तो what I eat is take a rice, रोटी, balanced diet लेती हूँ, दाल, सब्जी, छाछ and salad. ये मैं दोपहर को भी
Mm-hmm.
लेती हूँ और मैं रात को भी लेती हूँ, बट रात को आई मेक श्योर कि मैं 7 बजे के बाद खाना ना खाऊं.
Okay.
Right? So I don't eat after 7. I don't support intermittent fasting. It's just that I don't eat after 7 because you're not
Mm-hmm.
supposed, you should be light on stomach before sleep. So at least
Okay.
you should have your food 3 hours, 4 hours prior to your sleep, so as to get good sleep. I take milk also at night. It's just that you need to work out daily. You need
Mm-hmm.
to work out, and there is, if you're having homemade food, there is no restriction to it. And
Okay.
sometimes fried food, sometimes it's also good,
Mm-hmm.
but it depends that you're frying it in groundnut or refined oil. That is the difference.
Yeah. Yeah, right. Suppose like many of believes in that fat is bad, or ghee like causes weight gain, or like what's the real science behind it?
Ghee doesn't give you fat. It is a marketing
Okay.
gimmick that Western culture has played on us. Now they are adapting to ghee. We are exporting ghee abroad,
Huh.
and maximum ghee that Morning Wale sells is in abroad, not in India, for a reason,
Mm-hmm.
because ghee is good, and now Western culture has got to know कि घी आपको
Yeah.
शुगर स्पाइक नहीं देता है, घी में गुड कोलेस्ट्रॉल होता है, घी आपका डाइजेशन में आसानी करता है, बट डिपेंड करता है
Mm-hmm.
आप कौन सा घी खा रहे हो.
Okay.
गिर गाय का घी इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द बेस्ट घी बिकॉज इट इज लो ऑन फैट, एंड बिलोना टेक्निक से बनता है, दैट इज बिलो के मक्खन से बनाया जाता है उसको. तो वन इज
Mm-hmm.
दैट. इफ यू आर हैविंग regular ghee which are available in the market, again that is a big no. That is causing fat because that has buffalo ghee in it, and
Okay.
also it has dalda mixed in it. It is not
Mm-hmm.
599 रुपए का घी तो प्योरिटी में आपको नहीं मिलेगा.
Like,
What they are selling
okay.
is a mixed version. So one should have pure gai ka ghee in food, and that is not going to give you cholesterol.
Okay. Yeah, that's a big thing. Like, suppose there is what is a one food myth that really annoys you? Like, why do you think it became so popular?
See, the food which I think protein, again I'll say कि प्रोटीन को इतना वे प्रोटीन को इतना पॉपुलर बना दिया है,
हाँ.
इतना ज्यादा कि मतलब प्रोटीन बार, वे प्रोटीन, ये जबकि इंडिया में इतने सब्स्टिट्यूट हैं प्रोटीन के, आप मतलब
Mm-hmm.
थक जाओगे, और वो आपको उतना ही प्रोटीन दे रहे हैं. आप इतना मतलब प्रोटीन, एंड स्पेशली दैट आमंड मिल्क इज किलिंग मी. आई वाज लाइक ब्रो, यू कैन जस्ट हैव गिर काउ मिल्क, or you can just
Okay.
have A2 cow milk. Why are you having almond milk? That lactose intolerance लोगों के लिए तो मुझे समझ में आता है, बट जो lactose intolerance नहीं है, that vegan culture, why vegan culture in India? अगर आप ethically source करोगे तो आप लो
Mm-hmm.
ना, but source it ethically.
Yeah.
So these are
Right.
few two things that bothers me, that is
Hmm.
the food habits of India that is gaining attention.
Okay, as you said about A2, right? So there is a confusion around milk today, like A1 versus A2, plant-based versus desi. So what's the truth?
सी A1 तो आपका वो होता है जो जर्सी गाय का होता है, जो बाहर का
Okay.
गाय है उसका A1 होता है. एंड ऑल
Hmm.
इंडियन काउस, बीट गिर काउ और द नॉर्मल काउ इज A2. एवरी इंडियन का,
Okay.
इवन बफेलो का मिल्क भी इज A2.
Okay.
राइट नाउ वो कैटेगराइज किया गया है कि A1 इज अब्रॉड, A2 इज इंडिया. दैट इज अ
Mm-hmm.
सिंपल कैटेगरी दैट आई टेल यू. उसमें भी दूध में सिंपल है यार, मतलब हैव नॉर्मल एथिकली सोर्स दूध. मेरे को लगता नहीं, अगेन आई कम की वीगन बनने का कोई मतलब है, अगर आप ये समझ रहे हो कि
Mm-hmm.
आप अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस को सपोर्ट नहीं करना चाहते हो, then source it from ethical people. There are people ethically so giving you these products. So there's no point of turning into vegan, because eventually this is something that we've been having since generations. Sri Krishna
Yeah.
always had milk makhan, then why now?
Yeah, that's true. Like मतलब मिल्क इज लाइक मतलब मिल्क हाँ ठीक है अभी एक ही हमें मिल्क प्लेन नहीं लेना है we want something in that milk for like drinking so what are
That's
your
my
things
favorite
like
question. That's my favorite question. That's I always say ki my son is 7, and
okay
since 7 years, I think since birth, he has not had Bonvita. He doesn't like the taste of Bonvita, and I think I've
okay
achieved something when my son doesn't like the taste of Bonvita. He had it once at
okay
his friend's place and he puked. He's like, it's so
okay
pathetic. And I'm glad that he's having Sattu premix. So what we have done
okay
is, we made Sattu premix, and we are encouraging parents ki mix Sattu premix, chocolate Sattu premix. So mix
Mhm.
chocolate Sattu premixes in your milk and have the, protein and the taste of chocolate. So it does not have any sugar, preservative, and additives. It has pure Sattu, cocoa powder, and jaggery powder. Again,
okay
with chas also we have introduced jeera sattu and chatpata chaat sattu, that you can just directly
Hmm.
mix these premixes in the chas and you're good to go. So,
Yeah.
if you're again, those Western powders and these Bonvitas and Complans is something that I don't support. I'm not saying कि आप सत्तू डाल के पियो, या तो ये डाल के, बोनवीटा तो बिल्कुल डाल के मत पियो, कॉम्प्लान बिल्कुल,
Mhm.
एज इट इज दे आर नॉट हेल्दी ड्रिंक्स.
Yeah.
या तो बच्चे को दूध ही मत दो, और देना है तो आप घर का सामान अपना हल्दी केसर या आप हमारे सत्तू प्रीमिक्स डाल सकते हो, गिव इट इन दिस सेंस, डोंट गिव, don't mix milk with any powder as such.
Yeah, because suppose me as a person, I also don't want to like drink a milk, plain milk. Is it like I don't want to drink a plain milk? So is it suppose a person who is like 18 plus or an adult, so they also want to like drink milk, but they are like, I don't only I like milk, plain milk. So is it something they can do in their home, add something good things in it?
या यू कैन ड्राई फ्रूट्स डाल सकते हो यार, ड्राई फ्रूट केसर डाल सकते हो, ठंडा बादाम का दूध पी सकते हो, यू कैन डू दिस। आप सत्तू प्रीमिक्सेस हमारा ट्राई कर सकते हो, यू कैन ट्राई द चॉकलेट सत्तू प्रीमिक्स, उसमें अगेन चॉकलेट का टेस्ट है एंड देर इज नो प्रिजर्वेटिव, सो वो ट्राई कर सकते हो। मैं तो रुद्र को मतलब अपने बेटे को ठंडी मतलब गर्मी में ठंडे बादाम का दूध देती हूँ। आई कट स्लाइसेस ऑफ बादाम इन इट एंड देन पुट सम केसर एंड गिव इट टू हिम। So I think that's fantastic way of giving. Then I put chia seeds in it. Sometimes छाछ में उसके मैं गोंद कतीरा भी डालती हूँ.
Hmm.
I try these Ayurvedic things that you can mix up and enhance your drink. Indian kitchen तो बना ही है food enhancer. इतने सारे
Yeah.
हमारे पास, हमें क्या जरूरत है बाहर की चीजें ट्राई करने की।
Yeah, that's true. Suppose there is, as you said, like there is a lot of ancient things. Like we have our turmeric, we have millets, we have ghee. So how to use these things from the kitchen for the healthy diet or for the healthy like eating?
See, millet can easily replace your rice. As I said,
Mm-hmm.
you need to reduce whites from your life. Rice is one of those.
Mm-hmm.
So what you need to do is have a millet khichdi. मिलेट की रोटी, मिलेट की मट्ठी बनती है आजकल, मिलेट के तो केक्स भी बनने लग गए हैं, तो आप वो बना सकते हो। घी में आप दाल का छोका मार सकते हो, सब्जियां बना सकते हो। फ्लावर्स, आई ऑलवेज से कि मल्टीग्रेन नहीं खाना चाहिए, बिकॉज हर एक
Mm-hmm.
ग्रेन का एक डाइजेस्टिंग पावर, एक कैपेसिटी, एक टाइम होता है। हर ग्रेन को अलग अलग खाओ, साथ में मिला के नहीं खाना चाहिए, राइट।
Okay.
सो आप आप इतने सारे आटे हैं, आप वो खा सकते हो अलग अलग दिन पे। यू कैन हैव खपली आटा विच इज 15% ग्लूटेन, यू कैन हैव स्टोन ग्राइंडेड एम्प्टी शरबती, सो यू हैव टू कीप स्विचिंग योर आटा, डोंट हैव वन आटा डेली। यू नो
Mm-hmm.
जैसे अपने गुजराती में भी अपन भाकरी खाते हैं, बाजरे का भाकरी खाते हैं, जवार का खाते हैं।
Mm-hmm.
सो हर दूसरे दूसरे दिन सो वी हैव टू अगेन गो बैक टू द कल्चर, सी द रूट्स, learn from our ancestors what they are having, and that's about it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. I want to ask, how much portion should a person eat? Like about like carbohydrates, flat fats, lilo. So how could a person can balance it all?
Same answer. Indian meal is balanced. There is no proportion. Wait करके खाना खाओगे कि इतना इतना पोर्शन होना, इतना पोर्शन होना
Hmm.
चाहिए. It's not going to help you or benefit your body in any way. What benefits
Hmm.
is that you should be having one katori dal, one katori sabzi, at least two chapatis with achar, some millet rice, or I take millet. So millet भी ले सकते हो, rice भी ले सकते हो. Have that, and then exercise. Have what is cooked at home. That's it. Healthy cooking आप घर में करो और वही खाना खाओ, उसमें कोई कैलोरी नहीं है. It's just that it needs to be protein rich. That's all.
Okay, wow, that's great. Like suppose there is a thing कि आप रात को कम खाओ, मतलब सुबह ज्यादा खाना खाना चाहिए, रात को थोड़ा सा कम खाना चाहिए, 10 के पहले खाना चाहिए. So what are this?
7 बजे खाना खाओ, जितना खाना है खाना खाओ, पर 80% खाना खाओ. 100%
Mm-hmm.
अपने आप को फिल मत करो. And this
Mm-hmm.
goes for all 3 times, not one time. Need to
Mm-hmm.
have food 80% full. Your tummy should be full for 80%, not 100%. और वो कैसे होगा?
Mm-hmm.
अगर आप जमीन पे बैठ के खाओगे, टेबल पे बैठ के
Yeah.
खाओगे तो आपको नहीं पता चलेगा कि आप कितना खा रहे हो. यूल एक दो दिन आप प्रैक्टिस करके देखो कि आप जमीन पे बैठ के खा रहे हो, लेग्स फोल्ड करके, आपको खुद ही रियलाइज होगा दैट यूल बी फुलर. यूल फील कि यार मैं तो नॉर्मली 4 रोटी खाती, आज मेरा 3 रोटी में पेट भर गया. तो दैट इज वन टेक्निक ऑफ टू फॉलो. ऑल्सो देर इज अगेन देर इज द सिंपल फैक्ट कि 80% ही पेट फुल रखना है. सुबह आप हैवी डाइट लो, चिकन कोई खाता है तो वो दिन में खाए, वो रात को ना खाए, और 7 बजे के बाद यू शुड नॉट हैव योर फूड.
Okay, yeah, that's true. some like, what are your favorite food replacements everyone can adopt?
Millet is my favorite, right?
Okay.
Second, khan, that I'm not getting sugar spikes.
Mm-hmm.
Because in during my pregnancy I had gestational diabetes, so I'm prone to having diabetes later in life. Right now, even
Okay.
if I don't have, so it gives me less sugar spikes. Apart from that, I always feel that chas is something that I love having in summer. So that is something that I've inculcated in myself. So these are few things.
Okay, as you said about diabetes, right? Suppose a person have a diabetes. So how could he or she will like overcome that? Like they have like strict things. Don't eat this. Don't eat that. So what about it?
First, cook your meals in ghee for diabetes. That too, cow ghee, not the
Mm-hmm.
regular ghee which is available in the market. Second,
Mm-hmm.
have a lot of protein. Protein cuts sugar spikes. So
Mm-hmm.
have a lot of protein. Apart from that, you can have jamun powder once a morning, which helps cut your sugar. Methi dana pani pina chahiye, which again helps you cut sugar. And you have to cut down on your gluten.
Okay. Okay. Oh, that's good. Like suppose, as you said about all the things like ghee, right? So suppose a person went to a market, right? Or she want to identify which ghee is good. So how could they identify it?
See, it is about again the personal. It is personal choice. But as I said, Gir cow Bilona ghee or A2 cow, regular A2 cow, ghee is good. You should not have
Mm-hmm.
a fellow ghee. That's all.
Okay. Yeah, this good. And in milk also there is things like some we can't identify the milk is good or not. So if you have something about it.
See, milk is something again very personal, but एक पैरामीटर होता है मिल्क को चूज करने का कि मिल्क हर मौसम, हर दिन, हर दिन टेक्सचर में, स्मेल में डिफरेंट होगा. अगर एक
Mm-hmm.
कंसिस्टेंसी मिल्क की मेंटेन हो रही है तो मतलब देर इज अ प्रॉब्लम विद द मिल्क. इधर इज इट्स होमोजेनाइज्ड और लाइक होमोजेनाइज्ड है तो उसमें मिल्क पाउडर मिक्स है तो दैट्स नॉट मिल्क.
Mm-hmm.
जो नेचुरल मिल्क है, नेचुरल मिल्क में स्मेल, कंसिस्टेंसी, मिल्क का टेक्सचर डेली मौसम के हिसाब से चेंज होगा. अगर वो चेंज होता है तो मतलब वो आप नेचुरल मिल्क है.
Okay, yeah. Right now there is lot of like mixing of milk and there's lot of things that's happening around us. So that's the most important things for a person to know how to check a milk. Is it good or is it bad? So
So
that will be help.
this is the parameter that you have to check the consistency of the milk. If you're thinking like हम people come and tell कि हमारी मलाई तो ना डेली इतनी मोटी निकलती है, and I'm like
Hmm.
that's not pure milk. क्योंकि मलाई कम ज्यादा होएगी. Guy is again, it's a mammal. तो उसका
Yeah,
मूड चेंज होगा, खाना चेंज होगा, वेदर चेंज होगा, हर चीज चेंज होती है. एक मलाई आपको कैसे हर महीने मिल सकती है?
Sakti hai. Right. That's true. Like so people are thinking, okay, so this is like they are saying about consistency in their outcome of that milk. They're not saying the consistency in that milk. Okay,
Yes.
that's good. Yeah. So like suppose what are like what makes Gir cow milk different and why do you believe that essential for better for health?
It has more beta casein protein, more calcium than any other cow milk. And beta casein is one component which helps in the brain development of child. Also, the
Mm-hmm.
calcium is high, so it helps in the bone density of the elderlies also. So that's why it is better. Also, it is creamier than the regular A2 cow,
Okay.
so it's better.
Okay. So it's like suppose is raw food always better than cooked food or is that another myth?
Cooked food is always better.
Cooked food. Okay. Okay. So like suppose like salad. So if you are eating salad, so is it you have to like it is a raw thing, right? You're cutting fruits
So
or you're cutting.
salad cannot be cooked. Yeah, salad cannot be
Mhm.
cooked. But I always salad is something that you need to have because fiber is essential, very essential for the
Mhm.
meal. So you need to have
Mhm.
some amount of salad, some amount of cooked meal. Like,
Mhm.
as I said, the proper Indian thali we have to make, and that's how your
Mhm.
meal is going to be completed.
Yeah, that's true. Like people says our bodies are not used to traditional food anymore, right? So is it that true or just an excuse?
It's just an excuse. Indian bodies, our genes are such that we have already adapted to Indian food. If we can adapt to culture, Western food, then Western food तो हमने generations के बाद करा है. हम तो पैदाइश
Mhm.
ही genes हमारे Indian food को support करते हैं, right? So how can we change?
Yeah, that's true. Like, please share like or a moment that the customer has been shared with you about your products and all.
Yeah, so one thing was came that a friend of mine, she has some issue with her BP, and
Okay.
she, whenever she used to eat, she used to puke. So she's like,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I need something which is fulfilling for my tummy and helps keep my vitals control. So I gave her
Mm-hmm.
sattu. Sattu has a good concentration of protein, carbs in it, and now in breakfast she wanted that, because breakfast was little tricky for her. So now she's having sattu premixes and she's
Okay,
healthy.
wow.
She's very happy.
Wow, that's great. Like, how was your journey? Like, what are the what are the key challenges you faced in this your journey?
So key challenges, one, being a woman entrepreneur is difficult. People don't take your
Mm-hmm.
command so easily. Apart from that, educating people about nutrition is difficult because people have understood कि अच्छा इतने साल हमने ये खाया है, अब यही सही है हमारे लिए. To break certain myths is very difficult to get into their brain and make them understand कि okay, we are not just trying to sell them these products, we are trying to explain the benefits of these products, that why you should be having. So that is primarily the challenge that we are still facing, to educate the mass that why this food is important, why certain diet is important for you. So that was one part. And to introduce tech into food, as in introducing app and make it convenient for the people, was again very difficult for us.
Okay. This is not your actual background, right? You're from the legal background. So how you educate yourself about nutrition and all?
See, being a lawyer helped me reading. So I was
Mm-hmm.
very inquisitive, because being a lawyer, you are very inquisitive. And
Yeah.
I was very inquisitive. I kept reading about things and nutrition. When my child was, taking birth, when he was in my womb, I was pregnant with him. I used to read a lot about nutrition. Then I got to know about this dietitian called Rujita Dwekar, and I was reading her book.
Mm-hmm.
And then from there, I developed this, interest in nutrition, and I keep reading about protein, calcium, which sourcing, kahan se kaun sa food aata hai, and that helped. So somewhere down the line, my lawyer skill helped me being inquisitive and start reading about things, and still those skills helped me. So being a lawyer was a value addition to my business skills.
Wow, that's great. Suppose as you said about your journey, right? So as a woman entrepreneur, you faces a lot of things, as you said, right? So how you overcome that things? What helps you to overcome it?
You have to command your stance. You have to be very rigid with people. There are vendors sometimes, or the farmers who think that men are better and women are not good in business. And I was facing that issue. But then you just have to be yourself. Like, you have to build a relationship with them and make them understand in a very subtle way. Ki, look, this is what it is going to be. You are going to deal with
Yeah,
this.
that's true.
So you have to very subtly command your stance and your womanhood and your business skills in front of them, and you don't have to justify yourself. You just have to show that
Mhm.
how good you are at your work, and that's about it.
Yeah, that's true. Like suppose a woman want to start in this particular space like nutrition. So how she could start?
Anytime that anyone can start this skills, these skills. The thing is, women knows nutrition better than men, first,
Yeah.
because we work in kitchen more than men. Apart from that, all I feel is it's just that you need to have that conviction and to put
Okay.
down your foot that okay, I need to start. So it has to be, you just can't sit and plan. It has to be like, as soon as you think that you're good for it, you just start and travel and see and start reading. Whatever you're selling, you should know what you're selling.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Suppose a woman who she is a parent, right? About with a cute kids, and she want her kids to eat healthier without forcing it, because kids don't eat healthier food. They want some chatpata things. So how good?
So make it that way, and it's about. So with Rudra, what happened? It's not that my child is some like something different or he's an alien that he's having all this. It's just that I used to talk to him a lot, and
Okay.
plus you need to inculcate those habits to your plate. If you are giving
Mm-hmm.
milk to your child, then you need to drink milk. For
Yeah.
example, kids of his age drink cold drink, he doesn't because we don't.
Yeah.
So
Right.
you have to do things to teach him or her. You have to follow those things in your life. So that's how you're
Right.
going to teach and talk to the child about it. एंड दूसरा ये
Oh,
है कि
that's
बच्चे
true.
को खिलाने के लिए अगर आप जबरदस्ती कुछ भी डाल के खिला रहे हो कि चलो बच्चा दूध नहीं पी रहा मोनवीटा डाल के पिला दो, तो
हाँ.
आप दूध का न्यूट्रिशन उसको नहीं जा रहा और सिर्फ शुगर जा रही है उसके दिमाग में, जिसकी वजह से उसको हाइपर वो हो जाता है। एंड आप फिर बोलते हो कि बच्चा शैतान हो रहा है। अगर बच्चे को नहीं पसंद आ रहा है देन फाइंड एन ऑल्टरनेटिव। लाइक माई चाइल्ड डिडंट लाइक मिल्क फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम, सो आई यूज्ड टू गिव हिम ड्रमस्टिक। ड्रमस्टिक में ज्यादा कैल्शियम है दूध से।
Okay. So you have to find the alternative of
Yeah,
better alternative. Yeah.
absolutely. You have to find healthier options.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, suppose what are there are lot more hidden risk, like blindly following health trends on Instagram, on YouTube. So what's your views on that? Like
People
blindly following.
are just diffusing their bodies with lot of multivitamins। मार्केट में मतलब विटामिन के नाम पे पैच लगा लो, खाना खा लो। अ लॉट ऑफ ये मतलब जो कुछ भी आप बेच दो ना उनको, तो वो खा लेते हैं। पर वो खाना नहीं
Yeah.
खाना चाहते हैं। मैं सिर्फ बोल रही हूँ कि आप खाना खाना खाओ, आप खाने से ठीक हो जाओगे। यू डोंट नीड मल्टीविटामिन्स, पैचेस, or for that matter, that gut cleansers and all of that. So, जो भी आपको लोग बेच रहे हैं, आप ले रहे हो, you're not realizing that food is enough for you.
Yeah, that's true. Or also there is thing like अगर आपका stomach अच्छा हो तो that's the most important,
बैलेंस
digestion
डाइट
अच्छा
हो
होना
तो
चाहिए.
स्टमक अच्छा रहेगा ना।
Yeah,
बैलेंस
that's
डाइट नहीं
true.
ले रहे हो, आप बैलेंस डाइट ना लेने के लिए बहुत कुछ अलग से ले रहे हो। वो ना लेके बैलेंस
हम्म.
डाइट ले लो ना।
हाँ, वो तो है. वो तो सही बात है. So someone suppose there is a they influence the people, they influence by people who are more healthier and doing lot of things and eating lot of things, and a person who don't do that but they are like, okay, she or he is my idol in that healthier field, or about health. So how could you see about these things?
जी, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स एक ऐसा लाइफ दुनिया है ना, जो बहुत चमकता है, दूर से बहुत ग्लोइंग दिखता है, पर उनका खुद का लाइफ ना बहुत ज़्यादा एम्प्टी है, ठीक है? सो
Mm.
कुछ जेन्युइन अच्छे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स भी हैं जिनका लाइफ शायद ही बहुत अच्छा हो, बट वी नीड टू असेस आवर ओन लाइफ एंड गिव कमांड। जब ये फ़ोन नहीं था, तब इन्फ्लुएंसर्स नहीं थे, तो हम अपनी ज़िंदगी नहीं जीते थे, तभी भी हम हेल्दी थे ना। तो हमें अपनी बॉडी देखनी पड़ेगी। उनकी बॉडी और हमारी बॉडी में फ़र्क है, उनका मेटाबॉलिज़्म रेट हाई है, हमारा कम है। तो हमें उस पे फंक्शन करना पड़ेगा। वो एक्सरसाइज कैसे करें हमें नहीं पता, हमें अपनी एक्सरसाइज पैटर्न, हमें अपनी बॉडी को रिस्पेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज इंडिविजुअल्स आर डिफरेंट, बॉडीज आर डिफरेंट। इन्फ्लुएंसर्स बॉडी माइट बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम योर्स। सो यू नीड टू असेस योर बॉडी कि आप कितनी एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हो, कितना खाना खा सकते हो। अगर आप उनको कॉपी करोगे देन यू आर गोइंग नोवेयर।
या राइट. सपोज देयर इज थिंग कि आप टेस्ट, वो भी बोलते हैं कि आप टेस्ट करो, जाके अपना चेक करो कि आपको क्या अच्छा खाना चाहिए, क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए. सो इज इट रिलेवेंट टू टेस्ट अबाउट योर होल बॉडी, अबाउट न्यूट्रिशन एंड
That yearly checkup for your vitamins is essential, but other than that, there is no test that you should be doing. It's just the balanced diet
okay.
that you have to maintain, a good healthy lifestyle, a good exercising model that you should be doing 10,000 step or as per your body.
Hmm.
किसी को 7,000 स्टेप में भी रिजल्ट आ जाता है, किसी को 15,000 में भी नहीं आता। 10,000 तो हमने एक पैरामीटर बना दिया है। तो आपको अपनी
Yeah.
बॉडी का देखना पड़ेगा कि आपको कितना एक्सरसाइज करना है, आप कितना खा सकते हो। पर जो भी है, आपको अपनी बॉडी को असेस करना है एंड ईयरली चेकअप्स आर मस्ट।
Okay. Yeah, that's true. So suppose there are right now there is lot more healthier brands about in this space, right? So if someone want to choose a particular brand, so you think this brand is like not a morning wala, is rather than your brand, which you think it is a good.
See, all homegrown startups are doing really nice.
Hmm.
Homegrown startups, and we have good competition in the market, which is good that people have option. They are not forced or compelled to buy from one brand. So,
Hmm.
if you're looking for a homegrown brand, अभी कुछ time पहले I was looking for a homegrown brand जहाँ पे वो dry fruit mix and seed mix बेच रहे हैं. Then somebody's doing seed cycling, which is again a very good concept. So आप किसी भी homegrown brand से लो, कोई problem नहीं है. But
Yeah.
ये है कि क्विक कॉमर्स से खाना ना लो तो बेटर है, बिकॉज क्विक कॉमर्स इज एक्चुअली प्लेइंग विद आवर लाइव्स एंड आवर हेल्थ, क्योंकि हम 12 बजे भी खाना ऑर्डर कर लेते हैं उसमें से.
Yeah, right. Like how harmed like frozen food. Right now there is a boom concept of frozen food.
देयर इज नो न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू इन इट.
Okay.
हिंदुस्तान में गर्म खाना खाने का कंसेप्ट ही क्यों है?
Yeah, right. Right. But right now people are also interested in like frozen food. They were like, okay, frozen food is good. We can like we can buy it and we can eat it later. But they're not understanding how harmful it is for the body.
These are the myths that we are trying to break, that eat healthy, eat warm food, eat ताज़ा बना हुआ खाना, रख के भी मत खाओ, you know. So that's how we are trying to tell people.
Yeah, right. Like as you said about ताजा खाना, right? Suppose मतलब बहुत सारे हाउसहोल्ड में ऐसा भी होता है कि आप रात का बचा हुआ खाना आप कल फ्रीज में रख के खाते हो, right? So is it how much harmful?
See, again, it's the हम लोग डेली भी अब फ्रेश नहीं बना पाते हैं. आई अंडरस्टैंड कि
Hmm.
वर्किंग कल्चर है, यहाँ पे सब लोग काम करते हैं घर में, तो थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर ठीक है. पर अगर आप एकदम ही डीप फ्रीज करके खा रहे हो हफ्ते भर का खाना या 3 दिन का खाना या 2 दिन पुराना खाना, देन यू शुड नॉट बी हैविंग.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Right. Because मतलब वो ऐसे हो गया है कि suppose rice is like a main thing. राइस बच गया कल हम राइस में डाल रहे हैं कुछ और कल खा लेंगे. That's the most important. They are eating
हाँ, पर
rice.
डोंट 1 डेढ़ दिन से ऊपर खाना नहीं रखा होना चाहिए. आई दैट्स माई
Okay.
पर्सनल दिस थिंग.
Yeah, that's true. So, like, how does morning wale ensure like sustainability and from sourcing to delivery?
सी सस्टेनेबिलिटी
Yes.
इज बेसिकली हम ज्यादा सस्टेनेबल हो नहीं सकते, क्योंकि फिर आप फार्मर्स को सपोर्ट नहीं कर पाओगे, बिकॉज वी आर वेरी लो प्राइस देन द कॉम्पिटिटर्स इन द मार्केट. सो इफ वी आर हाई, अगर हम अपने प्राइजेस हाई करेंगे तो ही हम सस्टेनेबल हो पाएंगे, क्योंकि समहाउ सस्टेनेबल पैकेजिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बट अदर देन दैट, सस्टेनेबिलिटी सबसे ज्यादा मेजर होती है आपके स्टोरेज में. तो हम स्टोरेज में अपनी सस्टेनेबिलिटी मेंटेन करके रखते हैं अपने ग्रोसरी का, ताकि ग्रोसरी खराब ना हो, क्योंकि वो ऑर्गेनिक या नेचुरल है. और
Hmm.
अगर हम उसमें कुछ मतलब पेरिशेबिलिटी उसकी देखनी है, तो नेचुरली हम उनको स्टोर करते हैं, ताकि कुछ केमिकल वगैरह डालने की जरूरत ना पड़े. अदर देन दैट, पैकेजिंग वगैरह में हम उतने सस्टेनेबल नहीं है. वी आर ट्राइंग to introduce sustainable packaging, but again it comes with a cost, and we don't want to be heavy on the cost of the people.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Now it's a rapid fire question, so you have to answer fastly. So first, what's your go-to healthy snack?
My go-to healthy snack is sattu. I love drinking it the entire day.
Okay, ghee or butter?
Any day, ghee, but I love white butter also.
Okay, one superfood everyone should include in their diet.
I think sea buckthorn is something that you should be introducing in your life.
Okay, your favorite Indian spice.
Turmeric.
Okay, best piece of wellness advice you have ever received.
That you should be having, Indian meal cooked again, with achar and everything. It's a wholesome meal. That's the best advice. And, khichdi is good. Dal rice is good at night. Like, it's very wholesome, that I love having.
Okay, a food trend you think it is overrated.
I think whey protein.
Okay, morning wala product you can't live without.
Sattu premix.
Okay, then what's your guilty pleasure food?
My guilty pleasure food. Actually, I don't have a guilty pleasure food. I eat whatever I want, but then I exercise.
Okay. Tea or coffee for energy boost?
Any day coffee.
Okay. One food you have never give up.
Dal rice, I can't give up.
Okay. How do you de-stress after a long way?
I go for a walk and with my music on, and that's about it.
Okay. Would you rather a week of only vegetables or only fruits?
Sorry?
A week of only vegetables or only fruits?
Yes, I can live with fruits.
Okay. What's your typical breakfast?
My typical breakfast is protein, as in dal chila or maybe millet dosa, uh, and with a glass of juice, beetroot juice.
Okay. A wellness myth you once believed you but later debunked.
I think I'll say that whey proteins were good, but then now I realize that whey proteins are not good.
Okay. What's your idea of a perfect Sunday meal?
Perfect Sunday meal is families having together food.
Okay, that's it. That's our rapid fire round. And thank you, Nida, for your time and your invaluable insights to our audience. And hope this will help to our audience to maintain their diet, healthy food, eat their healthy food. So this is
Pleasure.
what it. And hope you and your morning wallet will grow and will be always be on the top of our right now healthy meal brand for us. Yeah,
Thank you
thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Pleasure.
Yeah,
Bye.
thanks. Yeah, bye.